So Kaspa payments is happening right now, which I'm going to talk about a little bit later on. I'm also going to be talking about the price action and what I see happening over there. And then I'm also going to be talking about some KRC20 meme coins because some of you have been asking about them. So I need to cover that in today's video. Make sure you guys watch the video all the way through. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed today's content. Now, before I get into everything though, if you're looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first time deposits, extra bonuses up to $10,000, no VPN, no KYC. The link is going to be in my description down below. Now, to kick things off, if we take a look here at the crypto bubbles, what we see is majority of these coins have just been destroyed today. Today is not a very good day for the overall crypto market. A whale had actually opened up a short position on Bitcoin worth somewhere around $332 million or something like that. And obviously they're doing fantastic right now because Bitcoin has pulled back. The last time I checked, Bitcoin was sitting around like 82,900 or something like that. Yeah, it's just the market that we're dealing with nowadays. A lot of people have inside information and it is what it is. But if we take a look here at the fear and greed index, we're in 30 fear. So it came down a little bit from yesterday. Yesterday was sitting at 46 and today it's at 30. But it is what it is. We are extremely numb to this space right now. We just buy, we DCA, and we hold for the long term. I do believe that is the best way to go about things right now moving forward. All right. Now, I want to start off by showing you guys something here. All right. So this is the Bitcoin chart. In the last cycle, Bitcoin reached a high of like 68,000, right? And this was November 2021. And then for about a year, Bitcoin just went down. And then at the beginning of January 2023, this is when Bitcoin started to just go parabolic, right? So it took about pretty much a year before Bitcoin bottomed out and started to make its way back up. Now, if we take a look here at the Kaspa chart, what we notice is Kaspa peaked here at 20 cents August of 2024, right? Now, it had been in a massive sideways movements prior to that because it started trading sideways roughly around November of 2023. People are saying that Kaspa already had its bull run and it's not going to go up anymore. But it's been over a year since Kaspa has been trading sideways and its peak was in August. So if it does follow the same sort of pattern like Bitcoin, and I'm not saying that it's going to, then maybe we're going to start to make new all-time highs come this August. That's just maybe complete speculation. At the end of the day, I can be wrong. So make sure you guys take what I say with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice. This is just my own personal opinion. Do your research at the end of the day. All right. But anyways, let's get into the payments that's happening on Kaspa. Okay, so I was on Twitter and I saw this right here. So this person says that as a barbershop owner, I accept Kaspa. They've been accepting Kaspa as payments since 2023. People pay me in Kaspa for my services. Now I actually paid my carpenter in Kaspa for work he did at my apartment. That is very, very interesting that people are accepting Kaspa as payment. And you know, it's so funny because I remember when I first started seeing Bitcoin ATMs at convenience stores, and I remember thinking to myself, my gosh, Bitcoin is going to get massive. This is literally just the beginning. The first time I saw a Bitcoin ATM with my own two eyes, that must have been, what year was that? Maybe 2018, I believe, either 2018 or 2019. I think it must have been 2018 when I first saw the first Bitcoin ATM at a convenience store. And I always tell you guys, don't ignore the signs, because if you were walking around and seeing Bitcoin ATMs and you still decided not to buy any Bitcoin, then you ignore the signs. And right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $80,000, all-time high of $100,000. You start ignoring the signs, you're going to miss out on crazy opportunities in the crypto space. So don't ignore the signs. And I do believe that is the very first sign, which is telling us that Kaspa is only getting started. That's what I think, anyways. But anyways, going back to the Twitter account here, we can see that Kaspa, they posted this right here. So it's amazing to see this type of connected economy happening before mainstream apps, dApps, and tools are even created. You merchants accepting Kaspa are true pioneers. This is Kaspa 360 in action, a true circular economy where businesses accept Kaspa and seamlessly use it for payments, keeping value flowing, instant, borderless, and frictionless. The future of payments is happening now. 1000%. This is just the beginning, and I remain extremely bullish on Kaspa. And Kaspa is one of the very, very few coins in my portfolio that I'm going to be holding past this bull cycle. I will be taking profits. Don't get it twisted. I am going to be taking profits. But Kaspa is one of the coins I am going to be holding for a very, very long time. Now, if we take a look here at this indicator, you can find this indicator down below. It's called Trade Assist. Lets you know when's a good time to buy and sell crypto. Also lets you know when there's a bullish and bearish momentum happening, right? But what we notice here on this indicator, matter of fact, just the charts on the whole, we notice that Kaspa actually had this very bullish pattern that played out quite nicely. This inverse head and shoulders pattern played out quite nicely. And where the price is sitting at right now, 0.074, there is a chance where this is going to act as some sort of support area around 0.074 to about 0.077. I think this area is going to more than likely start to act as support. Now, there is a chance where if this tariffs war continues and the overall market continues to just go down, maybe the whale who shorted Bitcoin with using a 40x leverage is correct, and the market, we're going to get some bad news. They probably have some inside information, and we're going to bring the prices of majority of these altcoins down. If that does happen, then yes, Kaspa could retest those lows of 0.055, but I do believe that is the potential bottom for Kaspa. That's what I think. I could be wrong, because I was calling for a 10-cent bottom prior, before the tariffs war, and obviously Kaspa broke through the 10 cent, the prior support at 10 cents, but a lot of these coins were breaking through support levels. Like, come on, tariffs were like, that just took the market to another level, to a level that we did not want to see. So anytime I'm reading the comment section, I see someone pointing fingers at Kaspa and be like, why you keep talking about Kaspa? It broke support, all this type of stuff. I'm like, are we not paying attention to what's happening in the overall crypto market? How are we just pointing fingers at one specific coin, knowing that all the altcoins were coming down? But I don't know, people are just funny. That's all I have to say. People are just funny. They like to point out certain coins and really not taking in the full picture of the crypto space. But I always say those are the terrible investors, the one that don't pay attention to the entire space. They only pay attention to specific coins, and maybe the only coins that they pay attention to are the coins that's in their portfolio. Wrong way to approach this crypto space. You have to pay attention to everything. But anyways, Kaspa is going to be fine, and I'm going to continue to hold. And if you are looking to accumulate more Kaspa, I would definitely look to get around, maybe see if you can get around 0.055. If that does happen, that's honestly a golden opportunity. But right now is not a bad area to accumulate some Kaspa, but this isn't the area where you want to load the boat. Load the boat right now, again, it all depends on your trading strategy, but a good area is around 0.055. Now let's get into some KRC20 meme coins here. See, these things have just been completely destroyed. But what I noticed is while Kaspa started to make its way up, because after Kaspa bounced from 0.055, it went as high as like 8 cents, right? That was a pretty nice move. And the KRC20 meme coins, they started to move as well. Okay, some of these coins went to levels that I honestly never thought I was going to see. For example, Nacho, which is currently sitting at a market cap of 12 million. Take a look at where Nacho went. So Nacho went to as low as $5 million market cap. $5.73 million market cap. It had just been devastated. Absolutely devastated. The number one meme coin out of all of the KRC20 coins just got devastated. $5 million market cap nacho. I didn't even think I was going to see that, if I'm keeping it real with you guys, but it happened. And right now it's sitting at 12 million. Okay. Now you take a look at a couple others. Kango sitting at 6 million. And then we have Kaspi sitting at 3 million, Kasper sitting at 2 million, Gold 1.4 million, Croak sitting at 800,000. Now that all the hype has cooled down for the KRC20 meme coins, we get to finally see which coins are going to perform the best moving forward. In my opinion, I do think that the coins that are sitting in the top 10 are going to be the top performers once Kaspa explode. Most of them, not all of them. For example, this PPKAS, I still don't know what this is doing here. I honestly don't know. It's got a premium of 95%. Like, I don't know what this coin is doing here. I don't know anyone that talks about it. But everything else, so Nacho, Kango, Kaspi, Kasper, Gold, Croak, I guess KDAO, and Krex, I'm not too familiar with this one. Conan might do okay as well, but 1000%, I'm going to say most of these coins in the top 10 are going to do absolutely fantastic things, right? So definitely, if you don't have any KRC20 meme coins, I would look for a pullback if you want to get any of these. But right now, because the price has recently rallied on most of these coins, this isn't the area where we want to be accumulating, because we've seen this many times before where people are buying in the green and then the price pulls back and then they don't know what to do. So remember, moving forward, only buy on red days, don't buy on green days, because green days is just not the way that you want to invest anymore. Just learn from past mistakes. Don't catch FOMO anymore. The time for catching FOMO is over with. Just forget about it. If you see a coin rallying, skyrocketing, just cover your eyes and be like, you know what, I want nothing to do with it. You got to be a smarter investor moving forward. But I continue to hold my KRC20 meme coins. I continue to hold the Nacho, the Kango, the Kaspi. Like, guys, I honestly believe that this space is going to blow up. Every single one of these, most of the coins in the top 10 is going to perform extremely well. So I would look to get any one of these coins that are minus this PPKAS. I would look to get most of these coins in the top 10. I do think that meme coin season is going to come around again. I honestly believe that. And these KRC20 tokens are going to go crazy. Let's see if we can get Nacho again at $5 million market cap. Great buying opportunity. Kango, where was the low for this? I'm not sure. Did it reach a I think I saw it at a $4 million market cap. I like Kango, $2 to a $4 million market cap if you're trying to like really load the boat. Same with Kaspi. Kasper, anything $1 million market cap is fine. Croak, I would say, if you can get this at like 500,000 market cap, that's a golden opportunity for that one. And then you could do the research on the rest of them. Not all of these are going to make it, that is for sure. But yeah, that's as far as KRC20 meme coins go. They did rally a little bit once Kaspa started to make a comeback rally just a few days ago. So we know what to expect once the smart contracts and the mainnet for 10 BPS comes, and Binance, we know what to expect for Kaspa and the KRC20 meme coins. It kind of looks like they're trading alongside each other. So I'm looking forward to that. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.